Peace, family. This is your natural mystic medicine man, and today I want to talk about yet another weed that nature has blessed us with. In fact, we may have to agree that there really is no such thing as a weed. All plants have their purpose. Maybe grass can be considered a weed, but if you have goats and cows, you can't call it a weed. If you have a garden and you're trying to grow leafy greens, you can use it as fertilizer. Um, there probably is no such thing as a weed. Anyway, I digress. Today's weed we want to talk about, so-called weed we want to talk about, is ground ivy. Some people call it creeping Charlie. And you see it growing all throughout our garden here. It's edible. It's medicinal. You can eat it raw. You can cook it. You can make a tea out of it. And not only is it edible, it can be used to treat bronchitis, arthritis. Somebody asked me the other day, I forgot who it was, so forgive me, on the Facebook page, what is good for tinnitus? Well, you're looking at it. Ground ivy is good for tinnitus. It can be used to treat bladder infections, cough, cold, kidney stones. It's really just an all-around great herb to have. So if you want to consider it a weed, you can do that. But just understand that if you're killing it, you are killing medicine. You are killing a food source that grows and doesn't have much problems with pests. This has been your natural mystic medicine man with more good news from nature. I'm going to talk to you real soon. Peace and guidance.